In this lesson, I want to give you a quick overview of the web page and web project that we're going to be building out. So this is going to be a 4-page website. It's going to have home, about, services, and contact. And we're going to be really focused on imagery for this project. So we're going to have really nice imagery right at the top of every page. We're going to have a different relevant image for each one of the pages. So you can see here the images in the background, and we've got the page information here, and then each page has its own unique setup. We use the Bootstrap grid quite a bit within the upcoming lessons in order to really structure the page. So we're looking at this, and we're going to use some of the key components such as the Jumbotron and then the grid, of course, and images. And the images, they're going to be all responsive. We're also going to use lists, grouping of lists, and also, again, the grid. So the grid is going to be really crucial within the upcoming lessons, and within every single one of these pages, we're going to be really making use of what Bootstrap has to offer with the grid. We're also going to be showing you cards. So Bootstrap 4 has cards, and it's a great way to output data and information on your web page. So we've got an example here of cards being used in order to structure that content even better. And then lastly, we're going to create that contact form, and the contact form is going to be just a simple Bootstrap contact form. And we're also going to use the Bootstrap buttons in the upcoming lessons. So we're putting together all of that information and bringing together what Bootstrap has to offer in the upcoming lessons to build out this multi-page website. We're also showing you how to include Font Awesome, to have these awesome little icons that can really bring your content to life. So we've got some links to social media. So naturally, we included the icons there at the bottom. And that's included in the footer of every page. So when you're ready, let's start building out this project from scratch.